Hey Divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys a demo and a review. This demo and review will be on two new products from the new ABH spring launch, and that is the loose highlighter as well as the Dewy set spray. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned.
What can I say? What's really on my mind? Why do I get lost in thought? It's so discouraging. Why can't I why can't I get it right? Why can't I say what's really on my mind? Why does it come out so stupid, so foolish, discouraging? Honestly, I can't even write a song, not even one damn song. Like I started halfway, struggled till I had enough.
Okay Divas, so now that you guys have seen my demo, I'm here to give you guys my review on these two products from the new spring launch from ABH. So let's just jump right in. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the highlighter. So first of all, I want to talk about how cute this packaging is. So this is the loose highlighter, and here's the packaging. It's very simple but yet very chic. I really do love the rose gold, and I absolutely love rose gold, so I thought this was really cute, and I think I'm actually going to keep this packaging. Usually if it's pretty, I'll just go ahead and keep it. So this is very pretty because I love rose gold. So yeah, I really do like the packaging. Now let's go ahead and talk about the actual packaging of the product. So here it is. It's like a really pretty gold type of color, and it is like glitter, so it's really pretty. The shade that I am reviewing for you guys today is the So Hollywood loose highlighter. Now I did not get the pressed one when they came out with that one, because I believe they came out with the pressed one, but I didn't get that one. So I was very anxious to try this one, so yeah, that's why I chose this one. And this one is very gorgeous. It gives you like that really good beam. Now I did apply, like I put her on, I packed her on. Even if you don't pack her on a lot, you can still get that gleam effect, like once the light hits your face. But I just really wanted to pack her on just because I don't believe in too much highlighter. Like that's not realistic to me. But yeah, so I did go ahead and apply her to all the high points. I even applied her to my brow bone just to give my brow bone like that beam. Since I have bangs, I wanted to just like make my brow bone still pop, so if any light should hit, you know, like my brow bone in between my bangs, you know, you'll be able to capture it in a photo or something. I also have it on my nose, and I really do like it. I feel like this is really nice. Usually I don't gravitate towards loose highlighters. I really do like, my favorite are the ones that are pressed. However, I am a lover of highlight, and I really do like this one. I feel like it is really gorgeous, and it's not hard to apply. I use their A23. Is this the A23? Yeah, I use the A23 brush to apply it. I actually use this to apply all my highlights, and I feel like with this brush, like, it makes it super easy to just pack it on. And then if you pack on too much, you can just like go ahead and like blend it out. So I feel like it's easy to apply, it's very sheer, and you get like that beaming glow effect. So I definitely really do like it. I feel like this is also very suitable for darker skin tones. As you guys know, I am a chocolate girl, so I wanted to try this one out as well to see if it will be suitable for our skin, and I think that it is really pretty. I think it would have been really pretty if I would have like put it on my collarbone as well. That would have been really pretty, but I just really wanted to try it out and get it on my face and do like a demo and a review for you guys. So overall, I really do love this So Hollywood loose highlighter. So now let's go ahead and move on to the Dewy set. And I know some of you guys who have been watching me for a while and know the type of skin I have is like, sis, like, you're bold, like, what are you doing? I do have, for those of you who don't know, I do have oily combination skin, and I was a little bit scared, and I was like, I don't know if we're gonna try that. But then I was like, you know what the heck, I like to look dewy. Although I do have oily combination skin, I am oily in my T-zone area, and on the rest of my face I am normal to dry. So I was like, it can't hurt me, you know, it doesn't hurt to try. And even if I have to kind of like, if it doesn't work out for my T-zone area, I will just kind of like put it on the portions of my face that's normal to dry. So I was like, what the heck, I took the leap. So here is the packaging for it, and it is really gorgeous as well. It has the white and rose gold, and I love it. Now let's go ahead and see the packaging of the actual product. I died. Like, look at how gorgeous and glittery and glamorous this looks. Like, this is just so perfect, and it just says spring and summer to me, and I had to have it. I was like, oh, this is so gorgeous. So yeah, here's the packaging for it. It does have a nozzle on here where you can kind of like latch it closed and then open, which I think is really, really good, especially when you're traveling, or if I wanted to take this with me, like if I wanted to go take pictures at the beach or something and I wanted to have that look and I wanted to refresh. So that's really good that it has that nozzle on there. So as far as this one, I did spray this on, and I did spray quite a bit on, and I have had this makeup on for quite a while because I had to film my hair video. So I had it on for about an hour because I was filming that other video, and I did not oil up. Like, I'm still looking normal. So if you have oily, and it just depends on the products you use as well, because I did bake underneath my eyes and stuff, so it just gave me like that. I feel like it gave me like a subtle glow. So I really do like that, and it did make my skin down here look a lot more radiant than it normally does, because usually when I set it with powder it just looks matte, which I'm okay with because I love the matte look, but I love how dewy this makes me look. It doesn't make me look super dewy because right now, because I didn't put a lot, because as an oily or a combination skin person, I was very scared, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I don't feel like if you put like a little extra on, it's not gonna do anything. But if you have oily combination skin like me, then I would definitely say to just put a little bit, and it'll give you that throughout the day. I am just inside and filming, so of course I'm not seeing like that dewiness. I feel like if I went to the beach or something, which is something I would be doing regularly because I'm a Californian and that's what we do with spring and summer, but I will like get that, you know, I will get that like dewy effect. So once I wear it out and everything, I feel like I will definitely be using this again in future videos, so of course I'll update you guys on that. But if you have, you know, like oily combination skin, I don't feel like you should be afraid to try it, because I was definitely afraid, but I feel like it's worth the try. And then look at how gorgeous the packaging looks. Like, how could you not? So I would definitely say to try it out. Like, it's really gorgeous. So I mean, you guys see, like, I've tried it on and it does not give me like that super oily effect. I'll even put some more on because I feel like oh yeah, and as far as smell, because I know people like to know if there's a smell, it does have a subtle hint of like coconut. Like, it smells like coconut water to me. So if you're wondering if it has a smell and what it smells like coconut water to me. So I'm gonna let that dry down, but it does not give me like the glossy oily effect. So I really am appreciative of that, so that is really good. And also I wanted you guys to know that it does not come with like the glitter. The glitter that is on the packaging is just on the packaging, it's not on the inside. So this is just to give you like a dewy set, and it's not like any glitter in here whatsoever. So because at first I thought it was glitter in here as well, which was one of the things that attracted me, because I wouldn't mind that, but there is no glitter whatsoever inside of this bottle. It's just the beautiful packaging. So overall, for these two, would I recommend them? Definitely. I would definitely recommend them. Definitely the highlighter. I absolutely love highlight. You guys know I love to get my glow on, so I would definitely recommend the highlighter. It is very nice. I feel like you can carry this for a long time through all seasons, because I mean, especially if you're like me and you love highlighting, you have like a million, but also because you get a very decent amount of product. And you know, like with loose highlighters, I feel like they last you longer than the pans, because with the pans, you know, you can hit pan really fast, but with the loose highlighters, they do kind of tend to last you longer. And then also for this dewy set spray, like I really feel like this will be perfect. I'm actually thinking about like a spring like fresh type of look that I want to do, and I'm definitely going to be featuring this. So yeah, I would definitely recommend both of these. So yeah, I love them divas. I also want to let you guys know that of course I did pick up the Riviera palette, and I also picked up their new brow gel. So I will have videos up on both of these separate videos because I wanted to like do everything individually, and because I love highlighter and like just glow, I had to do the highlighter in the Dewy Mist first. But definitely stay tuned for these tutorials this week. So you guys, they will definitely be out this week, so definitely stay tuned for a video on this as well as this palette. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.